Join me as I dive into the world of AMST stock and challenge myself to predict if it's about to explode. AMST stock has been on my radar lately, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you on whether it has the potential to make some serious moves. As a small-cap stock, AMST often flies under the radar, but its niche within the market could be the perfect setup for a surprise explosion. AMST stock is currently navigating some pretty choppy waters. Market volatility has been a major player, affecting not just AMST but many stocks in the same industry. We've also seen increased competition that's eating into their market share, making it harder for AMST to stand out. Recently, there have been some mixed signals from their financial reports, with some quarters showing promise and others raising red flags. This inconsistency has left investors wary, and it's impacting the stock's performance. The recent news about a potential shift in their business strategy has added another layer of uncertainty. It sounds like they're trying to pivot towards a more sustainable model, which could be a smart move in the long run, but short-term, it's making investors nervous. This uncertainty is reflected in the stock's price, which has been fluctuating wildly. To make matters worse, the overall market sentiment has been bearish lately, which doesn't help AMST's case. The company's management has been trying to reassure investors, but it's clear that there's a lot of work to be done to regain their confidence. The industry itself is going through a lot of changes, with new technologies emerging and consumer preferences shifting. AMST needs to adapt quickly to stay relevant, and it's not entirely clear if they have the resources to do so. Their recent product launches have been met with lukewarm reception, which is concerning. If they can't get their product lineup right, it could be a major blow to their stock performance. On top of that, there are rumors of an impending economic downturn, which could further impact AMST's prospects. Despite these challenges, there are some factors that could work in AMST's favor. They're rumored to have some exciting product launches in the pipeline, which could be the catalyst they need to turn things around. The industry trends are also shifting in ways that could benefit AMST's business model. Their recent financial reports have shown some promising signs, with increased revenue and improving margins. If they can keep this momentum going, it could be a sign that the stock is about to take off. The upcoming earnings report is also a major factor to consider. If AMST can deliver some strong numbers, it could be the spark that ignites a stock explosion. Analysts are predicting a significant increase in revenue, which could be the catalyst for a major price jump. AMST's management team has been working hard to improve their operations, and it's starting to show. They're also investing heavily in R&D, which could lead to some game-changing innovations. When you dig into the charts and analysis, there are some compelling signs that AMST stock might be on the verge of something big. Their technical indicators are looking bullish, with a potential breakout on the horizon. Some of the biggest institutional investors have been quietly buying up shares, which could be a sign that they know something we don't. The short interest in AMST stock is also worth noting. With a significant percentage of shares being shorted, a short squeeze could be just what the stock needs to explode. A short squeeze happens when a heavily shorted stock starts to rise, forcing short sellers to cover their positions, which drives the price even higher. If AMST can deliver some positive news, it could trigger a short squeeze and send the stock soaring. In terms of the overall market sentiment, there are signs that the tide is turning. The industry is starting to gain traction, and AMST is well positioned to take advantage of it. Their competitive advantage is stronger than ever, and they're making smart strategic moves. With the right combination of positive news and market conditions, AMST stock could be on the verge of a major explosion. To wrap things up, we've covered the challenges facing AMST stock, but also the factors that could lead to a significant price increase. From the promising product launches to the bullish technical indicators, there's a compelling case to be made that AMST stock is on the verge of an explosion. Of course, no one has a crystal ball, but the signs are certainly intriguing. What do you think about AMST stock? Are you bullish or bearish? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in more stock analysis and predictions, be sure to check out my other videos. I dive deep into a variety of stocks and share my insights on their potential for growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.